Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solution. My name is Lokesh Gandhi. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a business plan. So what is a business plan? The business plans are a set of goals that our accounts or a partner wants to accomplish. And a business plans allow both brand owner and a partner a way to show their commitment to the partnership. A sales representative and a sales manager perform the accounts planning to achieve the specific goal, and the goals are the business plans are represented through a objective. So with a business plan, you can achieve and you can analyze the strength, the weakness of the business plan, you can opportunities and the threats of the business plan in the context of the account. And you can add the business plan classes to define plans for the account, opportunity, and the contact, and then collaborate with the teams member to discuss the perspectives plans. And you can add the team member to work on a business plan to share some information and identity objectives and increases the sales per quarter. So let's create a business plan for the application. So let's move to the application. So this is the homepage of the Oracle Fusion application. So let's click on the business plan on this tab. Either you can click on this navigator and click on this cells and go to the business plans. So this is a list of the business plans appear over here. So in order to create a business plan, you have to click on this create business plan button. So click on that. So this is the create business plan page. So let's enter the name of this plan. So I am going to enter BISP business plan. Let's select an account for this business plan. So I'm going to select this BISP account, which is I have already created. Now the period, then select the period for, let's define the period for these objectives that we want to achieve. So I'm going to select 1 year, yearly. You can select either quarter, either you can select the period. So I'm going to select year from 2020 to 2023. You can add the description over here for this business plan. Now types, you have two types, either regional or a global. So I'm going to choose global. Now by default, the current user, the owner, and the status. So I'm going to select a draft for the status of this business plan. So all the informations are free. Now click on save and close. The BISP business plan has been created. So let's scroll down, and this is the BISP business plan. Let's click on that. So in this summary tab, this is the tab contains the key information about the business plan, including the duration of this business plan and all the information. You can create the objectives over here by clicking this button. Fill the information and you can create the objectives of this business plan. Right now I'm canceling it. Now this is the SWOT analysis. This is the SWOT analysis of your business plan. This is the acronyms for the strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat of this business plan. So you can enter by clicking add button icon over here. You can add the strength of this business plan. You can add the weakness of this business plan. And now analytics. So the analytics shows where your business plan stands. It shows the data of this business plan and all the things related to this business plan. Come to the teams. So this is the teams for this business plan, and these are the sales resources who have access this business plan. So you can add the member over here by clicking this button. You can search from this and select this, and you can add this. Now notes. So you can create a notes for this business plan. You can select the type of this business plan. So I select general, and you can add so you can add this business plan. Now activities. So you can create an appointment for this business plan. You can create a task for this business plan. You can call report for this business plan, and you can log a call for this business plan. So this is so many activities over here you can perform on this tab of this business plan. So this is the whole process of create a business plan, and you can add an activity, you can add the nodes, you can add the members of this business plan. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.